No. Please.
Yeah.
Please, sir, please.
So I was really trying to make a kind of a case which should alert each one of us.
Yes.
Basically, there are 5 causative factors which will be responsible for making you susceptible to the cancer or autoimmune diseases. Basically, I am of the believer that the Green Revolution, which was we very fondly remember Dr. M.S. Swaminathan as the father of the Green Revolution. I am of the view, I may be wrong, I may be corrected also, but I am of the firm view at the moment that his brain was washed by the people and they were having chemicals in tons, which was they intended to use as a pesticide.
Yes.
So chemical fertilizer and pesticide through jo hai M.S. Swaminathan, it was pushed into our country, and literally he is responsible for spoiling our jo hai bullock and cow and that kind of a very powerful system that was destroyed by this person.
Yes. And it happened during the long term, Sarji, because they bought all this, as you told, the Western method to control this insects and other things, and literally spoiled the human health sector completely.
Very true. Yes. Basically, I have studied their methodology. I found they work very systematically. Say if they will find that Shilpa is very useful to them, and Shilpa is having already a position, and Shilpa can be exploited. Then very intelligently they will cultivate you and they will invite you in some seminar, in some training courses, and they will brainwash you.
Yes.
And then they will give you some award also and will make you famous. And then in turn they will push whatever they intend to throw you. So
that is just for their advantage. They are ready to kill anyone and anybody. That is what has happened in today's world.
It is very unfortunate that our own leadership, our own people, they are become the part and parcel of them for very little gain. Ignoring humanity at large. Ignoring humanity at large. So
humanity is almost dead, Sarji, because we know, like almost in various fields, we don't find humanity at all. Don't know how to make these people, get back to that particular era, wherein how our great grandfathers and they used to lead their life. It's very, very hard now. It's a tough phase what all of us are going through. As you said, we are very unfortunate to go through all this the problems, the chemicals which is being used everywhere. In the health sector, you don't have the proper conditions until and unless, once we go and get admitted in the government hospital, no proper facilities. The doctors don't respond on time. Private hospitals, it's been totally commercialized. So, as I said, we don't know what to eat exactly because everything is being inorganic. Everything is being, cultivated and thoroughly being washed with pesticides and insecticides and everything.
Very true.
Indirectly, we are leading a very poisonous lifestyle in today's era.
Very true. So basically, chemical fertilizer and pesticide is one reason which has really poisoned our food chain. Now for getting cancer, you need not to consume anything else. You just eat grain and you are going to get cancer in a due course of time.
Yes. When all this, the microwaves, which has come, the fast food.
Very true. The second factor which I consider the most deadly, that is the use of the hormonal pituitary injections. That is oxymycin, what is the name? And that is very indiscriminately being used. It is being used very indiscriminately for everything.
Yes,
for the cow, buffalo,
no, for
goat.
everything. Chicken, you have for the poultry.
Yes, very true, very true, very true.
Yes.
Very true.
Nothing
Chicken,
has been,
chicken, fruits,
meat,
fruits,
everything.
vegetables, everything.
Yes. People used to get scared before because meat content will have lot of bad cholesterol and things like that. But nowadays, the vegetarian people itself are facing more than problems than them, as we are indirectly consuming the poison every day, as you mentioned. No matter how much ever we wash, how much ever we do, even when they use the water, which is, been, I don't know, directly from the factory, from the left out from the factory, the disposals and things like that, we are indirectly consuming the chemicals itself, the metals, the very
Shilpa ji, you are very right. This is being done under our nose. Whereas we are having the institution, for pretense they are becoming the partners and they are becoming the slave of these people.
True.
It is being done in broad daylight.
Yes.
So it is a very unfortunate. And third factor, which is the most deadly, with all use of the all pituitary injection, still we are in position to produce only 16 crore liter milk every day. Shilpa ji, whereas we are consuming more than 65 crore liter a day. It means almost 50 crore liter milk in tankers is being produced through urea and other very, very harmful chemicals.
Yes.
And I have read one research study on it, which says if this kind of the product is being consumed continuously for 4 years, 87% of the consumer, they will be suffering from cancer.
Yes. At least, yes. Now itself we are seeing there is no age factor. There is no.
People are feeling shy. People are not really disclosing that they are suffering from cancer. That is the thing at the moment, right?
Yes.
But the scene is really very bad.
Yes.
It's a very unfortunate. And
True.
as you were hinting that the chemical molecules which are being used as a medicine, many of them they are deadly and carcinogenic.
Yes.
In many cases they are fatal.
Yes.
So the sum total of these factors, my prognosis is that by 2029, if we could not change the course of action, 66% population of the country will be suffering from cancer or autoimmune disease.
Yes. Autoimmune, everything. Now there is no age bar for diabetes or BP or cholesterol. Any age, you just have to name that age. 10 years kids, like 12 years kids, 6 years, 5 years. Kids are suffering from diabetes and other heart diseases and other things. And as we see, asthma patients are increasing. Many things. And this is only the advantage for the people who are running the hospitals and all the commercial other places like home care centers and pharmacy and whatever you name, the medical field. It's been as a business, a chain of business for them. Nothing else but that's it. There's no other alternatives which is being told by the doctor or prescribed by the doctor what we are supposed to do, how we are supposed to change our diet or our lifestyle. Nothing. We just go sit. They will prescribe certain medicine. Even that is also poisonous for our body because taking so many drugs, automatically body will tend to become, very, what do you say? It doesn't, the immunity system is being killed totally. So we are suffering from a lot of deadly viruses, bacteria. He said the cancer is utmost stage, like it's at the peak.
Now my question is, can we ill afford to tolerate it, or there should be a mid-course correction?
No, absolutely. It's high time that it has to be corrected.
Okay. But Shilpa ji, it cannot be done by you or me.
Yes,
we need Honorable Prime Minister to intervene, and they should bless the crime-free Bharat mission with the 21 objectives.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is my capabilities? My capability is that we will bring 20 times more money to the government of India.
Yes.
Expenditure will be brought down to 50%. Right? Whatever expenditure is being made, salary of the government employees will be doubled. I will not say salary, I will say revenue stream, and the total income will be doubled. Right? And the revenue stream will be available when you are doing a job. Right? So the government people will be doing the job very honestly, but very properly to the satisfaction of the public. Then only they will be getting the revenue stream, and the sum total of the revenue stream is guaranteed to be the double of the present salary.
Yes, perfect.
And
this is a perfect mission, Sarji. So I am with you.
Just a minute. Let me little more elaborate. I mean, it's not question of you are with me or I am with you. It's question of how we can reach out to the Honorable Prime Minister to reverse it, and it will transform this country.
Yes.
Do you know what it says? It is guaranteeing that all government employee, their income will be doubled. The burden on the government will be halved. They will not getting the salary. They will be getting revenue stream for doing the quality job. So their output will be increased. So there will be, and the burden on the government will be halved because the revenue stream will be coming from the person whose work is being done.
Yes. Who takes it up as his own professional and his own, घर का काम हम बोलते हैं ना, like that, Sarji. We will do it in such a way wherein in the corporate sector we call it as incentive. When they do it perfectly with a very good motto, and they do it beyond their work.
They will not be getting the salary, any other salary. They will be getting only revenue stream.
Yes.
And do you know? Say, let's presume Maithili Sarangupta is a lazy person, right? He is not doing a good job. So,
correct.
And let's presume
he should be immediately removed.
No. Nobody will be removed. Say, just hold on. Say, Maithili Sarangupta is a highly inefficient person, right? And I am getting a salary of say 1 lakh rupees, right? Under new dispensation, my total income will become the 2 lakh rupees per month, right? Since I am not doing my job, so probably the sum total of revenue stream may be even less than a lakh, right?
Yes.
Let's presume that.
Yes.
But as per my commitment, from my own debit account, I will get the remaining of the salary. So let's presume 50,000 would come through the revenue stream. Remaining, you have 1 lakh and 50,000 will be coming from my own account, that is the debit account.
Okay.
So I will get the 2 lakh rupees.
Very good idea.
I will get the full 2 lakh rupees, but I will get a memo also that I have not done a good job. That 1 lakh and 50,000, it is basically kind of a loan, kind of a debit from which is to you, and you will be advised and trained how to really earn more than 2 lakh rupees.
Yes. This is a very good idea.
So we will make you capable, right?
Yes.
Now this is one idea, right? Now we are having the idea that farmers will be getting the 5 times, or this grains will be owned by the farmer only. At present क्या होता है? वो मंडी में जाते हैं, middleman जो है ना उसको purchase करता है. In future, grains will not be going to any mandi. Farmers,
this has to become a very very strong law, wherein we have to go to the farmers, and farmers should take the core responsibility of.
They have good time. There is no responsibility. Crime-free Bharat mission intend to train whole lot of the population provide them the cutting edge level skills, will provide the cutting edge tools also.
Yes.
They will not be walking on their foot. They will be having transport to move on.
Yes.
If they are so poor, even clothes will be given and nothing will be free.
Right?
Yes. And
now everyone, see, farmers were supposed to go, as you said, to the mandi and everything and put their own, hard earned and not just sweat, but their blood, to get to that person and to sell so many tons of tomatoes, potatoes, whatever, or rice or wheat, whatever, etc. But now, as you mentioned, the machineries, the packing system, everything will be given to them, wherein they can only recruit so many people from in and around villages, because they are our main backbone. Without farmers, there is no one, absolutely no one. There cannot be Shilpa, there cannot be Sharan Guptaji, no one, absolutely no ministers, no prime ministers, no one. Food is not there, then how will we survive? So main thing, as you said, the farmer should be given utmost superior respect, utmost superior, the professional has to be given in such a way wherein they don't have to struggle a bit. Everything will go to them on time and every clear cut and billing, whatever is there, it will be done accordingly, the procedure wise.
Very true.
Yes.
So Shilpaji, there are the models available. And you will be surprised that I conducted 12 Smart India Hackathon in year 2020.
Oh,
so a lot of technological solution I could get the opportunity to do in my official position as a DG Police Reform.
Wonderful.
Right.
Yes, sir. I can imagine, sir, when you were in position, I know how many great things, I will not say just good things, but great initiatives that you have done for our people and the society. And this thing, now the organization should be taken in such a way wherein it has to reach each and every household, each and every house, and the member of that particular house that we are in so-and-so mission, and we should also support them in the right way and to spread this information and awareness, basically, and not to, as you told, consume unnecessary things like which are very, the cancer related, which can cause harm to our body. Let's not make our body a dead body when we are capable enough to live in a very good society in the upcoming days.
Basically, we will be transforming and will be reforming the whole ecosystem without any burden on the government of India.
Yes, definitely.
Basically, we are having one revenue model which will be working at the background. Basically, rupee will be working in the background of that money, and I have given the name Bharat Vikas Nidhi.
Oh, wonderful.
Bharat Vikas Nidhi, and one Bharat Vikas Nidhi will be equal to 1.1 rupee.
Okay.
Wonderful. So whatever is being purchased through the Vikas Nidhi, it will be having the automated more than 10% discount, right? Because your Nidhi is already higher than rupee. So from one Nidhi you will be getting 1.1 rupee. So that indirectly you will be getting the 10% discount. Now the people, those who are not having this Bharat Vikas Nidhi, they can purchase this Nidhi by just paying 2%, right?
Yes.
So it means for them it will be costing 1.02 rupee, right? And they will get the Vikas Nidhi worth 1.10. It means they are getting the advantage of the 10%.
Absolutely.
And this Vikas Nidhi will be on the basis of the work which we will be doing in the farms everywhere. So we will be basically everything will be done on the farms, basically.
Yes, on behalf of our farmers, we will be taking up this initiative.
Let me explain it. Basically, every farmer will be having 3 accounts.
Okay.
One account is called the earning account, and I popularly say it one MSP, because the one MSP they will be getting right the moment their product will be out of their field. And their product will not be going to the mandi. their product will straightway go where they are going to be consumed. So from there, before going to that place, there will be two treatment which will be done at their field only. That is the number one will be the quality certification.
Yes, very important.
Right. Thereafter,
the usage of any fertilizers or pesticides, but it will be proved that it is
that will not be there, because that will become a law. You cannot use the chemicals and they will not be produced, they cannot be imported. So that risk, this quality check is for that, what is the quality of the things which we have produced. It means it will be attending to the two attributes. Number one will be physical attribute, and second will be the quality or test related attribute. So say for example, you are having a guava, right? So what is the size of the guava? What is the test of the guava? And what are the other content of the guava? This will be tested by a team, and that certificate will be available right in the QR code, and it will be packaged there, right? From that packaging, it will go to transportation, and a composite transport will be used. Say trucks जो है ना लोड होंगे, वो सीधे जो है ना ट्रेन में चले जाएंगे, ट्रेन से वहाँ उतरेंगे.
And to all the, as you told, the malls or the small kirana shops.
Very true. Basically, we will not render anybody unemployed because of the new model. So they will be using existing people, right? So they will use the warehouses, they will use the wholesaler, they will use the retailer, and they will use the home delivery guy also.
Wonderful.
Yeah. And the beauty of this, that ownership will stay with the farmer.
Yes.
So the farmer is the owner. Nobody in between will get the ownership of that food grain, right?
Yes. Of course, he's sweat and blood. He's got it.
So what is the status of the other people? Say the quality control people, he is doing a service. Packaging people,
he will be getting the
packaging, he is doing a service. Transportation, he is doing a service. Warehousing, he is doing a service. Wholesaler, he is doing a service. Retailer, he is doing a service. And home delivery boy, he is doing a service. So the final consumer who is made to pay 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, especially for the vegetables. Especially for the vegetables, right?
Yes.
Now that same thing would be available at the 3 MSP. So now you imagine how much consumer will be benefited.
A lot. And
number one. Number two, the whole chain, since they are not owning the product, it means their investment will be zero, because the ownership will continue of the farmer only.
Yes.
Right? So everybody will be getting the money for the services being delivered by them. So everybody in turn has become the service provider to the farmer.
Yes. In this way, I will tell you another advantage, Sajid, because now the farmers have also got this taste of seeing a lot of money through exporting their qualities. What has happened now, as you said, when you give his own identification and the ownership to the farmer, now he will be more proud that I need not have to send my own whatever grown vegetables, fruits or leaves or whatever it is to the other countries, but I will do for my own country and for my own people, irrespective of seeing the money.
So we will be producing not only for the India but for the world also, and we will not.
But keeping in mind that we are much sufficient. India has much sufficient grains, much sufficient vegetables and other things.
Basically, we will be feeding first ourselves. Number two, for the world, see, for our people it is available at the 3 MSP, right? But for the abroad, it will be available at the 10 to 100 MSP.
Yes. Of course, that is what is happening currently.
Now listen me a little more. Basically, we will not be selling raw seeds. No. Raw grains will not be. We will be mixing the medicines which are meant for keeping you disease free, which can increase your longevity.
Yes, very well said.
So with this longevity and disease free grain at your doorstep, Nobody else but these all Americans and Europeans, they need this kind of thing because they are,
You're right. Yes,
nobody is healthy over there.
No, nobody. Because because of the Western food, our people are getting spoiled, as we mentioned before.
Very true.
All
Very
this
true.
processed food and everything. Now they are cultivating our habits.
One information I got through one of the Jain Muni. I was going through one video, and he said one of his Muslim disciple, he got the test conducted on the pizzas and burger and everything.
Yes.
And to my surprise, to my surprise, the report says that it is having half dose of the injection of the oxytocin, which is the same pituitary injection, hormonal injection. Now, this report should not be taken lightly. We must conduct n number of the tests on these pizzas and burger, and then we have to really go into the detail. Who are responsible for putting this magazine? Because this is not for the test. Then what is the purpose?
No.
What is the purpose? Who is doing this? No, I mean, say Shilpa ji, we have to understand who is doing this. Who is the person behind it? What is their intention?
Yes.
It means they are having some bigger and larger design to spoil Indians.
Yes, spoil the entire, as you told, the lifestyle and the life of the people which they don't care about.
Right.
And
so,
it has to be taken very
seriously. These dynamics we will be keep on discussing in the subsequent chapter also. But I would like to request you that there are the two dimensions on which I would look for the support from you.
Please.
The first support, I want a list of the people, those who are associated with you, those who would be interested to see a rich, good, prosperous, healthy and happy India. Free from diseases, free from cancer, free from autonomous diseases.
Yes, sir.
Because I treat that cancer is not a disease, it is a revolt of your cell against yourself.
Yes.
It is a revolt for the atrocity we are committing on our own body.
Yes. It is indirectly we are poisoning our own body.
Very true. So you are poisoning your body, and now it is turn of your cell to revolt against Shilpa.
Yes.
So your
now
body.
The time has come wherein we need to repair our own self.
Very true. So if whatever the chemicals we are really thrusting on ourselves, the moment they will be off the scene, I am of the firm view, cancer or autoimmune diseases will just disappear. जैसे जो है, if you light a place, darkness will disappear.
Yes.
So the moment your cell will become comfortable with the ecosystem, it will not be turning malign from benign cell. And basically turning from benign to malign cell is a cancer. Right?
Yes, absolutely. That is what causes cancer in the body.
Correct. So your body will not be having any requirement to turn from benign to malign, right?
Yes.
So the cancer will disappear. Now we will not discuss any more about these matters. We will come about the strategy. What should be done to bring it on the ground?
Yes. Definitely, sir. We will be implementing all this very soon, as you said.
No, we are incapable of doing that. Very simple. We might be. It might be doable, right? It might be doable without government. It might be doable without government, but the people will not believe you.
You are right. People will just continue to do what they want to.
Correct.
Unless and until that really hits with their, as you told, any of their family members or close ones.
So if we could change the ecosystem, if we could change the legal system, then it will happen. Now the problem is this, whether the Manani, our Honorable Prime Minister would be doing that. So he would not be doing that unless he feels ki by doing so it is to their advantage, right?
Yes.
So what I am saying, when I am capable of giving you 20 times more money, so you need not to really tax your public.
Yes.
Right?
You are absolutely right. Yes.
So
18% of this thing is unnecessary payment, which is a burden to any individual. That is why the hidden taxes and all this corruption, everything is rising to the sky. These people are not understanding.
Basically, let me little elaborate, and then we will more talk about the what I am expecting from you.
Yes.
And
I also want to add one thing. Since you have come up with so much of wonderful strategy and the implementation in the upcoming days, why don't we make the platform by ourselves, wherein it is very easy for the farmers also to put in their resources there. That particular thing.
Basically, you are very right. We would not be in position to feel impact, right? Since we will be hitting lot many vested interest, they will conspire and file the false FIR against you, and you and me might land in jail.
Okay.
Because they are earning so much of the money now. Imagine a situation that people who are making milk from the urea, how much money they are getting?
You are absolutely right. And once we put the full stop,
basically in this system, they will drive everybody. False FIR will be registered against you. N number of the people, including scientists, will give the false evidence against you, and you will land in jail.
Yes, you are right. Because you have seen all these
what I have developed the two-pronged strategy. One pronged strategy ki whatever the organizations are around, let them continue to do whatever they are doing at the present, right?
Okay. Yes.
We may not go on implementation of anything which we are suggesting. We should only do that. We should add them under our scheme of joining people, right? So what we say, I will just explain the dynamics of it, right? Let's imagine we have to basically add the people, we have to join the people. So if let's presume that this exercise has started today. It has happened today only.
Okay.
Right? So if I have enlightened 9 more people like Shilpa plus 8 more, and I could really educate them, and I could make them to take the pledge, then whether today we will become the 1 plus 9, 10 people?
Yes.
हो जाएंगे?
Yes, absolutely.
All 10 people there have taken a pledge that they will be adding 10 people at their end from their own family, from their own relative, from their own friends, from their own neighbors, from their own young colleagues and senior citizens, and from the organization they are associated with.
Yes.
Our expectation from them to 10 people only for 9 days, all put together 90 people. That is the pledge.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
If the people are committed and has taken a pledge, and they will in turn get the 21 objectives, including a healthy, wealthy, prosperous country, where everybody would be employed, and the lowest person who will be earning, or family which do not have any knowledge, which do not have any skill set, even that family will be earning 2 lakh rupees worth of the purchasing power by 2029. Right? So basically we are eyeing on the end result. We are not only we are talking of the end result also. So for getting that result, if you need not to spend a single penny, you need not to take any procession, you need not to burn any effigy, you need not to obstruct road or rail, you need not to go to your district magistrate or superintendent of police or Jantar Mantar or Ramlila Maidan. So without doing any negative things, still you will be in position to change everything by making use of this. So now 1 plus 9 has become 10 today.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Tomorrow,
Definitely.
10 and 10 people will be making 100. Third day, it
Yes,
will be 1,000,
yes,
10,000,
yes, yes, yes,
1
yes.
lakh, 10 lakhs,
Yes, yes,
1
yes.
crore, 10
1
crore,
crore.
and 100.
Yes.
So on the
Yes.
9th day, we will be 100 crore, right?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
you will say, ki, sir, you had been DGP for 7 long years. Do you feel that public will be joining like this and we will become 100
Yes.
crore on 9th day?
And very soon, as people should take it in a very serious way and possible. As you told, a lot of people should also be associated with us and should take this step, not just
I will explain in a little differently. Say on the 9th day, 9 crore people, by adding 10 people on the 9th day, 90 crore are being added on the 9th day. That is the 90% of total 100 crore.
Yes.
It means 90 crore people, they have to just join without even adding any one additional person.
Yes.
And in turn, you are getting a transformed country.
Yes, definitely.
So for that, is it difficult to really join?
Not at all.
If we join, 90% work is done, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely.
Now 9 crore people, those who had joined on 8th day, they have to add the 10 people on the 9th day. So only 9% people have to add 10 people. Only 10 people.
Adding 10 people is not at all a big task.
So if you are adding one member from your family, one from your relative, one from your friend, one from your neighbors, one from young person, one from 10 people is not a big job, and that is to be done only by the 9% of the people. 90% people need not do anything, right?
Yes.
Now remaining 1%, 90 lakh people, they are having the 2 days, so they have to add 20 people. 9 lakh people will be having 3 days, so they have to add 30 people. 90,000 people will be having 4 days, so they have to add 40 people. 9,000 people will be having 5 days, so they have to add 3 people. Only 900 people will be having the 6th day, so they have to add 60. Only 9 people will be having 7 days, so 9 people have to add 70 people. And only one person has to add the mathematician has to add the only basically 90%, right?
Yes.
And I have already added almost 1,500 odd people.
Oh my goodness.
Right?
Wonderful. That can be done. Yes, yes.
So basically, is it difficult?
No.
And
not at all.
And I am not asking anybody. मैं करता हूँ. अच्छा, okay. So what I am saying, you and everybody should join, continue to do whatever you are doing.
Yes.
उसको दरवाजा वहां से तार निकाल के उसको दे दो, उसको जोड़ना है, कट गया है वो. So basically you can continue whatever you are doing. The only small thing you have to do, okay. So basically we have to collectively work for doing it and make it sure कि हमारे से जो लोग जुड़े हैं वो अपनी शपथ को पूरा करें. इसमें बेसिकली 2 कॉन्सेप्ट हैं. वन इज ऑफ द मेंबर एंड अनदर कॉन्सेप्ट इज ऑफ द चंद्रगुप्त. सो मेंबर इज ए पर्सन who says that he is an exploited lot. Now he is having no capacity to really withstand anything. He would not like to come in front. Such person is a member of the crime-free Bharat mission. And I only expect that he should add 10 people every day
Yes,
for
yes.
up to 9 days. That is the only expectation. And if he
Yes.
had nobody, still he has done 90% job by just joining.
Yes, yes, got it.
Right?
Yeah,
That is
yes.
the thing. And whosoever is added by him, he must make it sure that the person should complete his pledge. The second person is called Chandragupta. He has to do one extra responsibility, more than adding 90 people. He is supposed to conduct one meeting in morning and one meeting in evening, and he should not compromise with the original job. Because whatever the job he is doing, from that job only he is getting enough money to feed his children and family. So nobody else is going to feed your children. Hence, your inflow of money should not be compromised.
Yes, absolutely right.
So, if he will be adding the people by in the meeting, he can simply watch Crime Free Bharat Mission, which is on YouTube, right? And
Yes.
basically, then he has to ask the similar question whether you want a good India, better future or not for yourself. That is the first question. Second question, he has to ask whether you are so much afraid with the present system and you do not want to come in front. Then you please take the pledge of the member.
Yes.
If you are not afraid, if you are not fearful, then you take the pledge of the Chandragupta, and you have to do one additional responsibility, one meeting in morning and one meeting in evening, and thereby you will be adding the people. Now the people so added, in 9 days they will become 100 crore. When 100 crore people on the 10th day, they will be climbing on their roof. They will be drumming, and they will be igniting the lamp, and will be running a video for Honorable Prime Minister. I think Honorable Prime Minister will be having no other option but to fall in line and do the things which is required for this country.
Yes, absolutely.
So this is the model.
Wonderful.
Right. So
yes.
I will share my last video, which is having n number of the link. So I will guide you. The first link is of the Crime Free Bharat Mission app.
Yes.
So Shilpa ji, I will request you to kindly click on it, download the Crime Free Bharat Mission app.
Okay.
Upload your photo, write your name, write about yourself, and you have to put your area pin code of the postal pin code. And the moment you will submit, you will become the member of the Crime Free Bharat Mission.
Wonderful. Okay.
Right. The moment you will, just a minute. Let me explain, because this is the most important part of it. Right. So the moment you will open the app, on the top, it is the first tab is saying about the community.
Okay.
So in Hindi, it is giving all the details about whatever I explained to you. These details are available in written format in Hindi. Nowadays, translation in English will not be an issue. So if you are not comfortable in Hindi, you can just get it translated and you can read in English language as well. Right?
Sure.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Now,
I will do that.
there are many tabs. One tab is tabs down below on the extreme right corner. It is your profile. The moment you will click on your profile, the first thing you will see, it is having your photo identity card with the logo of the Crime Free Bharat.
Okay.
Then it is having 4 links down below your photo identity card. The first link says share on WhatsApp. The second link says the copy link. And third link says the share on any other media. And fourth link says the download link. So if you download your link, your photo identity card will be downloaded in your gallery, which could be print out, could be taken, it could be laminated, it will become your identity card, which is available right the moment you join.
Wonderful.
Right. Now on the WhatsApp and this, I will advise that instead of sharing directly on WhatsApp, I will advise to take its that copy link. So copy the link.
Yes, copy link. And then I will share it to multiple people along with the video.
Just a minute. Yes, I will say that you create a write-up for yourself before copying link. and so that you, whatever the discussion you had, you convert that into a appeal, right? Okay, you had a discussion with the Maithili Shravan Group, who is that itna, I am fully convinced, and I sincerely request you to kindly download this link and this, that. It should have your personal appeal. It should have the appeal of Shilpa, not of Maithili Shravan Group, right? And then, you can write your name, mobile number, address, etc. So it should be a very authentic communication from your side.
Yes.
Then you can paste it in all group and it will go there. Right? That is the first part you have to do. Second part, then you have to make a list of the good people, right? Which you feel they will be interested to have a good India or good Bharat for their children, right? Then you have to talk to them.
Okay.
Right? And then depending upon whether they want to remain behind the curtain, so they will become the member. And if they want to become the Chandragupta, then they have to conduct 2 meetings also. And while they are taking the pledge of the Chandragupta, we have to make it doubly or triply sure they should not compromise with their original job, which is meant for feeding their own stomach and stomach of their family.
Yes.
Right? So this is the whole concept. If we sincerely do it for 10 days, I promise on 10th day, Honorable Prime Minister will fall in line, and he will, because it is in the interest of the country, I am very sure we will be in position to strengthen Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi to win him 543 seats.
Yes, definitely.
Correct? Because we will be climbing and we will be taking a pledge कि हम आपको जिताएंगे, और यदि माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी नहीं जागे तो हमारे जो चंद्रगुप्त हैं उनको ही हम टिकट दे देंगे और उनको जिता देंगे. We will replace Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Yes.
So first we would like, because he is the person, if he come and agree in the best interest of the country about the 21 objective and crime-free Bharat mission, then he is the best person.
Yes.
And he can even promise tomorrow that in 2025 I will bring down the taxation to the 50%. In 26 it will be brought down to 25%.
Okay.
In 27 it will be brought down to 10%. In 28 it will be brought down to the 5%. And in 2029 it will be brought down to 0. Now at present they are having Ladli Behna Yojana, that is lovely sister or lovable sister, whatever the translation is, right? So I am saying, why Ladli Behna alone? Let there be Ladala Bhai also, right? Both of them, instead of getting 1,000, they will get 10,000 each, right? We will give them the training and we will give them the work also. Not only the training, we will give them the implement also, we will give them the vehicle, and they will be assigned what work to be done, and we will ensure their income should go much beyond 10,000. It will be then soon will be reaching within 2 years to the 25,000. Right? And later on, there will be not only Ladli Behna, Ladli Bhai, there will be Ladli Baap, Ladala Baap or Ladli Ma also. And each one of them will be earning 25,000 a day, 25,000 a month, right? And so all 4 put together will be earning 1 lakh rupees, right? By then we will be having the full control on the ecosystem, right? So in our ecosystem, we will give them the 50% rebate. So their purchasing power will be pushed into the 2 lakh rupees per month per family. Right? And since we know that it is going to happen, our infrastructure architect will reach and will say, sir, you are going to earn this much. Would you like to select the site for your house? These are the models. Please select one of them. And then he will capture your personal preferences, how big windows you want, what should be the height of your row, where you would like to sip coffee or tea with your spouse. Now, you will be getting 2 lakh rupees worth of purchasing power in 2029. But your house will be ready by 2006 and 26 and 27 only. You will be shifted to your house. Your payment will come afterward. What's the problem? What is the impact on the employment? What is the impact on the wealth? What is the impact on the ecosystem? We will be free from the cancer. We will be free from everything. And government will be getting the 20 times more money. So infrastructure development will get the 20 times more boost. There will not be even a single road जो कि tar नहीं होगी.
Yes.
And there will be some composite kind of the development. What a different India we will be having within 5 years.
Yes, which is even unimaginable, but can be definitely succeeded.
So Honorable Prime Minister must agree to it.
Yes.
If he failed to appreciate, then we are having no other option to but get him defeated.
Yes.
But we would like to give the first opportunity and chance to him only, because he is the sitting person. At present, the people are having the faith in him. If he will be talking in our language, it will be immediately believed, and we will bring the laws in consonance with the other person.
Yes.
So that can be done even before this election. People will start having a feel just right now.
Yes.
And by 29, this country will be a transformed country.
Yes.
We will become the biggest research and development and the Vishwaguru by 2029.
Yes, absolutely. We'll do that, sir. Definitely.
So, Shilpa ji, I will be sharing my last discussion with a Kamlesh Sahai Jha, and it is having all links. So, I will request you to kindly click each link. First link is about the download app. Second link is about the Crime Free Bharat Mission YouTube link. So subscribe it. Third link is about the Telegram. So I will request you, if you are not using the Telegram, it's just like WhatsApp.
No, I'm using.
Right. So then you can just click on the Telegram app and become the partner of the main Crime Free Bharat group.
Yes, definitely.
Then I request that you create your own group. Keep the name Crime Free Bharat, even Shilpa group. I have no idea, right?
Yes.
And you add me in that, and you add whosoever is being added by you, so that we will be in position to know whatever is happening in your group. And Telegram permits the 2 lakh members in a group. 2 lakh, right? So when you are completing 2 lakhs, then you can go for the second group. So within with that you will be reaching to the 10 lakhs in 5 groups only.
Yes.
And one person cannot have more than this. Right?
Yes.
So within no time, within 9 days, we can very easily reach out and become 100 crores. It's absolutely doable. Now put our full might to make it happen. And we do not want any organization to change their course. They should continue whatever they are doing. The only thing, they have to join us, and they have to make the people ask these 3 questions and ask them to join as a member or as a Chandraguru. That's all.
Sure.
And there are 4,900 videos which are saying how this country will be transformed.
Yes.
So everything is on record, and people can hear in my voice. Right? And if you feel that because majority of the videos they are in Hindi language, so you can have the discussion with me, or your team can have the discussion with me.
Definitely. Once we will have with the Zoom, I'll send the Zoom link to many, and since our members will join, so we can have you on board, and definitely these things can be listed out there, and we can have a good discussion.
Great. So don't miss out in all the groups and organizations you are knowing. Because if we will make them the part of it and tell them that we do not want their group to lose their identity. So we would like that they should create a parallel group. Apna naam, say whatever the name they are having, for Crime Free Bharat.
Okay.
This will be having one very great added advantage, because the moment you do something, at least one or two nasty people will say, this group was meant for the different purpose and you are not doing the intended work. So we are saying that we will create a parallel group of your own.
Yes.
If you are very busy, nominate somebody else as Adhyaksha. He can nominate 2 vice president, and in turn 4 assistant vice president and 8 executive members, right? So it will be the parallel group of their own organization. And nobody will be in position to say question that you are deviating from your original mandate.
Yes, yes.
If anybody is having the disagreement, please don't join.
Yes, yes, absolutely. See, this is for their own good being, for their own well-being of their family members and others in the society. So we are doing for the...
What we are saying, let's try into the three parts. Number one, the good individuals list should be made first. Secondly, which we said that add your own members, your relatives, your friends, your neighbors, like that, right? That's the second part. Third part is really targeting the organizations and request them to create their parallel organization for crime-free Bharat. And this crime-free Bharat, their own organization will be helping them in their original work also.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Right, so I hope I could
yes, very clear, wonderful. It's one of the, I think, utmost distinct, the projects, the initiatives what you have come up is excellent. It's beyond even imagination, Sarji. And this is the only way where we can,
Shilpa ji, Shilpa ji, I don't speak without recorded. By tomorrow, our conversation will be live on the Crime Free Bharat channel.
Sure.
So even you can share our communication.
Yes, definitely.
So because basically what I briefed you and how you reacted and what we transpired and all those things.
Yes.
So people will learn directly because when you will be telling them, lot many things will be missing.
Yes.
So
right. Absolutely.
This will be a very smart way of really making a change.
Yes.
Okay. So should we close this conversation as of now?
Yes.
Okay. So with a great thanks because we are talking. Do you know we are conversing for 56 minutes and 49 seconds?
Oh my goodness! It's my honor to be talking to you, and thanks for giving your valuable time. Thank you very much, Sarji. So we will take it forward. Yes.
Right, Shilpa ji. I will really beg it to happen with my folded hand.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Great day.
Thank you.